Hey everyone, can't go over there anymore because, yeah, I don't want to get in trouble. They already let me through once. You know, I'm glad they let me through once because I didn't want to walk around. But yeah, it's called Haddad? I don't know. Base camp. It's something to do with base camp. I don't know. And I don't know. But it's weird. I'm gonna have to look that up. But yeah, I took a picture and it's thoroughly weird to see that. But now, to get myself some Wendy's. Yeah, I'm like on a back sidewalk, kind of. They can't go over there. I'm gonna walk on this side. Sorry, I'm not walking. Yeah. I'm not walking all the way around. But I like my shortcuts. But yeah, just weird back there. I don't know. That's something to look up. Haddad. I don't know. Celebrity. I don't know. Racing. I don't know. It had a big trailer, so I don't know. Yeah, people running around. It's crazy to think about, but yeah. And now I'm just gonna go to Wendy's. This light, get on a train, go to Wendy's. So I'll see you in a little bit. Bye.